Everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to unbox the Tack cordless screwdriver. The model number is actually the bottom one right here, SDP60DCB. There's really nothing extraordinary about this thing. It's just a cordless screwdriver, but I got this on Amazon for $10. It was $24.99 and a 60% off coupon for some reason, and I just grabbed it. It's still at 50% off right now as of this morning when I made this video. So let's take a quick look before we open it up. So you can see 3.6 volts. It's a 1/4-inch hex. It's a lithium-ion battery, 1500 milliamp hours. And it comes with 9 pieces of the bits. So let's take a look. See what's inside. So there are the bits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Looks like 5 Phillips, 4 flatheads, and a hex. I'm not sure what size that is. See what else. And here's the screwdriver itself. That is everything. Let's take a look at this. You have the USB charging wire. So you're going to need either a USB wall plug or whatever else you can use, your laptop, whatever, to charge this. This is a 12-month warranty card with the QR code. I assume you can just point your camera in that and go to a web page where you can register this. All right. And here's the user manual. Let's see how many pages. Looks like it's going to be about 11 pages in English, and it basically teaches you how to use it. It's a standard cordless screwdriver. I don't imagine there would be anything extraordinary. And here it is. I have to say it feels very sturdy. Actually, it feels really good. So there's an LED, one LED bulb right there. And this is the forward and reverse. So this left side is the reverse to back out a screw, and the other side, is to go forward. And this LED on top is the battery indicator. So right now the battery's low. It's only on the red light. If it was fully charged, it would go to the top and it would be green. I think the middle one's yellow. You can still see that a little bit. So that's it. That is it for this Tack cordless screwdriver that I got for $10. So you'll probably be seeing a lot of this in my build videos, of course. So I think it's going to work well, but I'll give it a review later on during the videos. So thanks for watching this video. If you got something out of it, please drop a like. Subscribe for more unboxing videos and build series videos. And I'll see you guys in the next one.